Cold mornings won't stop you. Uplus AGM-L70-M battery tested. You know that sinking frustration when your car hesitates to start or the electronics falter during a morning rush. Those moments when your old battery just doesn't keep up? That feeling of being blocked by something so simple is maddening. Share your stories in the comments if your vehicle has tested your patience, because the solution that follows will completely transform your driving experience. Traffic jams, stop-and-go streets, and heavy accessory loads can push conventional batteries beyond their limits. Struggling with sluggish starts, flickering lights, or a weak start-stop system can drain your confidence. Imagine a battery engineered to handle high electrical demands, stay dependable under pressure, and restore smooth performance without fuss, keeping your car, SUV, or truck ready to fire up every single time. The Uplus AGM-L70-M BCI Group 48 battery is a breakthrough in automotive power. Designed as a premium, maintenance-free AGM battery, it offers 12-volt, 70 ampere-hour capacity and 760 cca, delivering strong engine starts even in freezing conditions. Its 120-minute reserve capacity ensures your electronics keep running when the alternator is inactive. Featuring high-density negative paste and a silver calcium-stamped alloy, it achieves 4 times the cycle life of conventional batteries. The AGM design provides spill-proof and vibration-resistant performance, while the valve-regulated lead-acid construction keeps acid fully contained. Top-level safety features prevent leaks and maximize reliability. Dual-terminal layout with standard Group 48 sizing ensures easy installation across a wide range of vehicles, from passenger cars to trucks and RVs. Start-stop compatibility allows for seamless integration with modern regenerative braking and ecosystems. Additional benefits include faster recharge, stable voltage under load, and minimal self-discharge. Users report smooth handling of high-wattage audio, navigation, heated seats, and other accessories. One satisfied owner noted, "My car fires instantly in winter, and all electronics run without flicker." Another highlighted its longevity and peace of mind for frequent city driving. The Uplus AGM-L70-M doesn't just power your vehicle, it redefines reliability. Its vibration-resistant spiral cell AGM design stands up to rough roads, engine movement, and daily shocks that typically shorten battery life. Experts confirm it meets or exceeds OEM specifications for Group 48 batteries, providing robust 760 cca starts and 120-minute reserve capacity. Influencers and automotive enthusiasts praise its ability to support vehicles with heavy electrical loads, including start-stop systems, premium audio setups, and multiple electronic control units. Verified users report dramatic improvements in cold weather starts, voltage stability, and uninterrupted accessory performance. One DIY mechanic shared, "Even after months of city traffic and short trips, the battery's charge and cycle life remain flawless." Another enthusiast noted seamless performance during winter mornings and long commutes. The maintenance-free, sealed design eliminates water top-ups and acid spills, simplifying installation and reducing ongoing hassle. With its high-density paste, silver calcium alloy, and optimized recharge rate, the battery delivers consistent performance and 4 times longer cycle life compared to conventional flooded units. Professionals and fleet operators have observed fewer battery failures, reduced downtime, and reliable starts under high-stress conditions. See why drivers across the U.S. are upgrading to this powerhouse. Which feature would make your drive worry-free? Comment below and uncover a bonus tip for extending battery lifespan even further. Upgrade your vehicle today with the Uplus AGM-L70-M Group 48 battery, trusted by thousands of drivers who demand strong starts and dependable accessory power. Its maintenance-free AGM design, high vibration resistance, and superior cycle life make it perfect for modern vehicles, trucks, SUVs, and start-stop systems. Don't wait for unexpected failures. Secure your battery now and enjoy smoother starts, stable voltage, and peace of mind. Click now and discover a hidden feature that enhances charge efficiency and prolongs performance. Transform your driving experience today.